Hello. So today I'm going to show you how to create groups in Brightspace and then assign group discussions and group assignments. So the first thing you need to do is go to your course in Brightspace and click Course Info and Groups. If you don't have any groups created yet, your screen will look similar to this. What you do from here is click New Category. And you type in the name of the group. So I will just say class project groups. And then you can type in a description here. Scroll down and keep this set as number of groups, no auto enrollments, and then select how many groups you'd like. So before you do this, make sure you've looked at your class list to see how many students you have so you know about how many groups you want. So let's just say 4. And this setting is going to let you assign the groups, so you can pick what students go in each group. So I said 4 groups, and I'm going to keep everything else the same and press save. So I have created my group called Class Projects Groups with 4 different groups. So now what I need to do is manually assign each student into each group. So I click directly on the name of the group. You can change the name if you'd like, so if everyone has a different topic, you can do that, or if specific people have specific group names, you can put that in there, and then you click Enroll Users. And this will provide your entire class list right within Brightspace. So click off the students that you want to be in here. Please keep in mind all your students will be listed, so just put a check mark next to who you want in the group, and press Save. And keep moving down the group till you've assigned everyone. Now, it's important to note that once you've clicked somebody for one group, their name is still going to show up in the Enroll User section. It doesn't delete them just because they're already in a group. So just make sure you're not double enrolling students. I only have 2 students in this demo class, so you can see I have 1 member in group 1, 1 member in group 2. So you would proceed through that until you have completed all your group enrollments. So once your group is set up, you ideally would create a group discussion or a group assignment. So I will go to Activities and Discussions, and I will create a new topic. If you don't have a forum, you'll have to create a new forum, but if you already have one, you can just put it in an existing forum. So I'll just show you how to create a new forum here. So we'll just say Group Project Discussions. And then this is very important. You have to click off Group or Section Topic. This means that only the people in the group will be able to comment on other people within their group. You must do this when you're creating the discussion because you can't go backwards and do it afterwards. So if you want it to be a group discussion, right when you make the discussion, you must check that off. And then these are the groups. We only have 1 set of groups, so we don't have an option, but this is where you'd have options if you made more than 1 set of groups. And just name your discussion. And then just press save and close. So I'm going to scroll down to the bottom where it is. And you know it's a group discussion because there's a little group next to it. So that is where your students would be able to answer discussions in groups. Now, in terms of an assignment, you could go Activities, Assignments. And again, you have to create a new assignment. We'll just say Final Submission for Group. Put your instructions in there. And then same thing right here, assignment type. You must check group assignment. Keep in mind, if you click this little question mark next to it, it says any member of a group can submit files to a group folder, but everyone is given 1 common grade. And that's how the group assignments work in Brightspace. So just press OK. And you can check any other assignment submissions off you want and press save and close. And so now you've created a group assignment and a group discussion. You can see right there. If you need to know how to get that so students can see it, you can click on Content and go to your module and upload existing activities, and you would just search for your discussion and your assignment. And then insert it there. And keep in mind, only the students who are in the group will be able to respond to that discussion. So that's just a quick overview on how to create groups and enroll students.